Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Spring Porter with Spring Solutions LLC. In this video, I am going over another review in a district that I've just gotten my first order from, and this is the state of New Jersey. So if you're interested in working in that district, please stay tuned. Please note that I am not an attorney. This information is not indicated as legal advice. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now.
Hi everyone, thanks again for tuning into my channel. So as I mentioned, this video I am going over a new district that I got an order in, and this is coming from New Jersey. New Jersey and Massachusetts is similar in that their leads are not on the unclaimed funds locator. So you're going to have to pull not a PDF file, but you're going to have to go to those individual bankruptcy court websites and pull up their database. Okay, so that's how you find leads there. And again, check out the link to that video because I have shown you how to do that on my channel already. So this district's pretty simple to work in, similar to the other ones, pretty fast turnaround time. I submitted the claim to the court on May the 3rd, and here it is. I'm getting a court order granting the funds go to me May 25th. It was just uploaded today. And so pretty quick turnaround. I didn't have to call anyone, didn't have to follow up. Everything was readily available. This case is from 2018. I actually mailed this client a letter. I think I tried calling her, but all of the numbers were old and they were just not working. She was unavailable. I couldn't find her. But she did have a new updated address, different than the one that I found for her. And so sending out a letter does work. She did respond to my letter and she said, "Thank you for reaching out to me because I can't do this by myself. I knew the funds were there, but I don't know how to do this. So I'm happy that, you can do it for me." And I don't think that she was contacted by anyone else. At least she didn't let me know if that was the case. So, I mean, it works like that sometimes. Now, it did take her a little bit extra time, I felt like, for giving me her documents back. So I reached out to her and I followed up, which is really important that you do that, follow up with your clients, because you may be able to just send out a mobile notary. Sometimes that document that needs to be notarized is sort of the hang up on when, they're going to get the documents back to you, because it's something that they're going to have to go out of their way and find a notary. Or maybe you can just send out a mobile notary. And that's basically what I did. I sent out a mobile notary to her, found one online, gave them the address to her location, and that was it. And of course I paid for that. I think it was like $45. And so I factor that into, the commission fee. So that's basically it. And so this deal is 3427 20, and I asked for 25%. So 856.80 is what I'm getting out of this deal. The New Jersey finder fee I found is interesting. You can ask up to 35%, but it doesn't mean the client's going to give you 35%. You can ask for 50. It doesn't mean you're going to get it. But the state allocated rule is 35%. If the state claim is older than 2 years, it looks like you can ask for 25 or 20%. And I guess if it's under that, then 35%. It's a little strange the way that it's written. But that is a higher amount considering some of the other districts that I've seen that only offer 10 or 15. Which is interesting. But again, that's only on a state level. Federal level, you're kind of going with what you and the client are agreeing to, as I keep mentioning to you. So with that claim and then the other ones that I got from the Midwest and Connecticut, I was able to get 2,494.30 for this month doing these small deals, adding them together. And really not doing this 100% of my time, to be honest, as I mentioned to you before. And this is probably around basically what I would have brought home if I was working at the credit union, and me doing a lot less work than what I was doing in the credit union, to be honest. And so here is the court order. All of them look slightly different in how they place things, but the general language is the same. And so here's the seal, and it basically just says it was ordered. It reiterates that May the 3rd is when I filed it in. And then it goes on to say that, basically the funds are ordered to go to me. And this is my company and my P.O. box. You don't see the client's name anywhere. You just see her name up here at the heading because she filed bankruptcy, but you don't see it anywhere down here. And so again, 14 days after this order is granted is typically when you do get payment. And so we will see, and I'll come back on again when all those checks start coming in, and it should be probably next week. I'll come back on and just show you like how that works. Now this one is 14 days. I don't know, that might be probably the beginning of next month, but the other ones for sure I'll be able to show you what that looks like maybe next week. All right, so basically here's the court docket, May the 3rd again, when I filed it in, and then May 25th is when I get the order. So this was, really easy to work in. Again, take a look at that video if you're interested in finding leads in the state of Massachusetts and New Jersey. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.